This is a beautiful idea to put the dinosaurs as an event every Saturday for the kids to enjoy. Oh, we are adults, we are enjoying it more than the kids. This is a Triceratops, means three-horned dinosaur. It was a herbivore, almost like probably a little bit like a sheep or bigger than a sheep. Like a cow, or you can say like a little rhino, pygmy rhino. And this one is called the Velociraptor. They could have been the size of a turkey. Don't eat me. Yeah, they made it really big to make it exciting. Our town is too little to have any kind of these things, so we have to come to the neighboring places or even faraway places sometimes. And this one is open to the public. And you can come and sit here and take a picture. Susan, you can sit on it and take a picture. Oh, she likes it. She makes it shrimpy sound.